Hey everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Today you'll be watching me utilize pastels as my base layer for beginning this beautiful painting. I hope you'll enjoy this process, and if you would like to continue watching the end result of this painting, I'll have it linked up below where you can click on it to see the full process from start to finish. But I surely hope you'll give it a try because pastels are a great way to start your initial painting. So with this new project that I'm about to get started on, I decided to try out some pastels to lay down that first initial layer and to map out the colors that I envisioned each element within my painting to kind of evolve and transition. So I thought I'd try out these pan pastels. They're quite interesting, I think, to work with. You can use a bunch of different types of applicators, I'll call them. And this is kind of like a little sponge type applicator. It comes with many different tips that you can use. Pointy ones, there's some square ones, maybe rectangle, round, just various shapes and sizes that allow you to, manipulate the actual pastel and apply it to your canvas or whichever substrate you're actually using. This is kind of a new process to incorporate the pastels at the very beginning like this for me, but I had taken a mastery course from the Milan Art Institute, and they had a course about applying different mixed mediums, and one of them was to apply the pastels initially to, just kind of kickstart your painting process and mixed media process. And so I thought, wow, how cool and how fun that would be to try this and see if I liked it. I have worked with pastels in the past. I worked with them on paper more than on a canvas. And I really liked the effect. I really enjoyed working with them. I found that working in the past with them on paper was very similar to the way I would work with, say, colored pencils, in the way that you would blend and smudge and mix the colors together. But pastels are, softer substrate, and you can just apply them in different ways. And I found it very relaxing, but quite, I would say, maybe enjoyable, and just a way to experiment and mix colors. Now, the pastels are very, I would say, soft looking, not real dominant in color wise, but it really did give a nice base, and it gave me a way just to relax and apply this on the canvas. And with applying pastels, not only can you apply it in a dry format like I'm doing, but after applied, you can also add water to it, and it almost turns like a paint, a watercolor paint almost like. So you can, in fact, mix with your other mixed medias before you go to your last stage of applying oils. So that was my intention with doing this, just mapping out different colors, just playing basically and experimenting. I really enjoyed this process, and all in all, I think I would, in fact, doing it more in the future. So I'm glad I just kind of played around with it, and think the outcome was it gave me a nice base layer before moving on to other mixed medias, like my mark making or utilizing your acrylics. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this process and my design that I've created. I think the overall design has really turned out beautiful, and I incorporated a little tiger cub in this painting, which I have been loving to incorporate more animals, and along with my flowers or insects and so forth. So I hope you enjoy it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like this process, or have you worked with pastels in the past and how you like them. And even leave me a comment about whether you enjoy, or which part of the process do you enjoy most. I would love to know that from you all. And just a quick note to let you know, or let you all know, that I have in fact graduated from the Milan Art Institute Mastery Program. So I am graduated now and moving on to my next phase in this artistic process. And that is, I am applying to different galleries to showcase my art and just really get in there and be a full-fledged professional artist. So I absolutely loved the program. I loved learning all that I did and now applying what I loved most and really finding my process in what I like to do. Another thing that I really love about the Milan Art Institute is that they always have, in addition to the mastery program, they always have these like one-off training programs that you are allowed to join in, go take those programs, those classes, and even learn more and enhance your own artistry to the fullest that you want and that you need. So I absolutely love the program. I love the Milan Art Institute. It has really opened my eyes to different opportunities for my future as being a full-time artist. And yeah, if you too are interested in any of the classes, the actual mastery program, or additional programs, like if you just want to hone skills specifically with a certain mediums, I have several links linked down below where you can click on them and just look for what you are interested in, what you want to focus on, whether it be acrylics, whether it be pastels, or oils, or just honing your skills, learning how to draw. Drawing is very critical in the process. However, it's not the only process. It's not the only thing that you would want or need to learn if you're wanting to learn how to paint. So they have so much and so much to offer that I highly recommend go check it out. It's free to check out. It's free for you to investigate, to learn, and see if this is something for you. So links are down in this description area of my video. Go click on them. I am an affiliate, an ambassador to the Milan Art Institute, and should you decide to go forward with any of the trainings, I do make a very small commission. But the main goal is for you to find what you are desiring, what skills you want to focus on, if any. And if you do, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. I love to stay connected with all the Milan Art Institute students, and I love to follow everyone's journey and see where they're at now and see where they become in the future. So let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Anyways, I will step back and let you just watch me paint. And I really hope that you enjoy this one. I really enjoyed painting this one. I got to learn a little bit more about how to paint some fur and the layering aspect of how to paint fur. So I really think I learned a lot and totally enjoyed this painting. And I hope you do too. Until next time, guys, I will sign off for now and let you watch me paint. And I will see you again. Bye for now.